So if you are struggling to create content, that's my tip number one, outlining it. So actually breaking what you want to do down into dot points before you get started is going to be an absolutely critical part of getting into this amplification, because those dot points are then going to help you think of what else can you produce as you're going through
Mm.
here. So let's say we take a really simple thing, like it could be 10 ways to uh, get your dog to behave. I've just gone
All
crazy.
right.
How creative of me. 10 ways to get your dog to behave. And you sit there in your outlining process and you jot down the 10 points that you're going to make. And if you're struggling to write, even just that process of doing 10 dot points is going to help you have a lot more structure to what you're going to put out. And here's where you start getting into that thought process of, okay, if this is going to be a blog, could it also be a podcast? Or is there one of those points that I could turn into an Instagram reel? Or is there a tip in there that would make a great graphic for social media? So you start going through as you've broken it into an outline and you think of each of those points and think, how could I use that in another place? You're creating this content universe.
Ooh,
Ooh, I
content
like that.
universe. That's a tweetable right there.